The show garden, designed by Terry Moller, really does showcase the simplicity of a formal garden. It's very traditional, with a central raised garden bed, and around it, astro, fake lawn, but it works. You know, if you've got a small area, why not look for options that are much easier to use? What impressed me the most is that the back wall, which could have been incredibly boring, has been pimped up by the use of interplaced, very specifically, hanging baskets. And what works for me is that the distance apart from each other is exactly the same, so your eye is guided to them. The central garden bed, which is raised, adds a whole lot of interest, of course, because there's a gorgeous water feature in the center. But not only that, the practical aspects of this is that it makes gardening easier. You're not on your hands and knees, it lifts the space up towards you, and the plants really are inviting you towards them to enjoy them. The central axis, which is that main water feature, it's the beautiful focal point, nice and simple and great for the birds. I particularly like the planting in the garden bed. Why? Because it's not formal. It's not a single hedge or a single row of plants. A beautiful mixture has been used of semi-shaded plants. So what have we got in there? We've got the leatherleaf fern. Man, it looks fantastic. That fern is also known as the 7-day fern, because if you pick it, put it into a vase, it will last beyond 7 days, sometimes 2 to 3 weeks at least. That, working with the little cyclamens, which are popped in between, which are traditionally known as an indoor plant, actually work beautifully in this setting. And in amongst it, a bit of alyssum for some pops of color, and that of course is the annual color that you would simply replace. But for me, what was the quintessential part of this garden that I fell in love with was the wall plaque just to the right, just above the seated area. It's a frame, a simple wooden frame with some mesh in it and planted up with sexy succulents. And doesn't that make for awesome wall art? Nothing plain and simple about this, except it actually is. It's a dead giveaway secret. Loads of little succulents popped into a frame, and man, you look like Leonardo da Vinci hung out in this garden.